There's one. Yep. Yep, I got one. Feels a lot like the last one. Actually feels bigger. It's not a 30, but he's pretty nice. River rats, it is quiet. Almost too quiet. That was kind of sarcastic, but seriously, there's not even like any birds chirping or anything. I don't know how that's gonna affect the fishing, but we're at a spot that's treated me pretty good in the past, and we're gonna see how it goes. So let's go. Logan is learning the finer arts of the polymer knot. Or actually, I'll show you a trick. Let me show you one trick real quick. I got it. So for your polymer, instead of looping it and try to fit that double loop through, run that through and then run it back out.
That's what my dad does.
Yep. Here, I'll take that pole and you try to tie that. Got it?
Thanks.
Oh yeah. This is not the best place to take kids fishing, but you know, there's fish here, and I don't think either of them have ever caught a walleye, at least not a big one, and this is as good a spot as any to get one. In rivers, you're gonna deal with snags, just the way it goes. I don't have a ton of jigs, but I have enough. Any nibbles? No nibbles? Come on, Walter faces. Man, I just want to feel that pow. And there's definitely walleyes here, but there's a pretty good number of smallmouth too. There is? That's weird that there's bugs crawling around in December. Right. It feels like October. Did you get it? Attaboy.
Just need to take it from a different angle.
Yep. You're getting plenty of practice getting unsnagged. I don't like how clear the water is. It's like too clear. If it was a little dirtier, that's the thing with walleyes. You don't want it too dirty, but you don't want it too clear. It's like Snow White's porridge. Just feels like a day where we should get a few. Oh! He hit it on the lift, and I set the hook like I was a moron. I tried to think of a word, but every word was one that I probably shouldn't say. Oh, look, he pulled my pants down even. What a butthead. He pantsed me.
Look how many bugs are in your puddle of mud.
Holy cow. That is weird. There's like, I don't know, a lot of bugs. Yeah, I've never seen bugs like this before any time of year. It's weird.
Maybe they're invasive.
I mean, they're prevalent. Just because something's prevalent doesn't mean it's invasive, but it's interesting, no matter how you spin it. I feel like the fog is moving in.
Yeah.
That's kind of weird. I wonder if that'll help the bite. It'll reduce visibility, and walleyes like dark. Oh no. Okay. I like it. I'm gonna slide down the bank just a little bit. Down there. This kind of looks walleye-ish. Anywhere there's rocks, they like them some rocks. Uh-oh. Oh, got it. Cool. Oh, you got one? That's hilarious. That's a smallmouth, buddy. That's funny. Yeah, not bad, bud. Just lip him. Just grab him by his bottom lip. Yeah, right there, like your brother's doing. There you go. Here, hold him up for the camera, bud. Attaboy. First fish goes to the man, the myth that is Lewis.
Can you take a picture of this on your phone?
Oh yeah, I'll get a picture and we can send it to your dad. But is that your first smallmouth?
Second.
Second. It's a nice one.
At least I think it's.
Oh yeah, you caught one this summer for sure.
Yeah.
Your dad sent me the picture of it. All right, let the little fella go.
Well, it didn't take very long.
Nope, there's definitely a few of them down here. There he goes.
Don't be a spot stealer.
It looks like he's gonna be a spot stealer. He stole my catfishing spot, and then I moved, and then I caught a catfish at a different spot. Oh, there's something. Are you, oh, he came off. I think that was a big drum. I'll slide over a little. Oh, that was something. He also pulled my pants down. That rascal. I agree. It's kind of a butthead. There's Ryan. Yes, sir. Oh, that's funny. You'll see once I send you the pin. Probably should have done that from the get-go.
Well, I'm about 2 miles away from you.
Okay, I'll see you in a little bit.
All right.
Bye. Yeah. Ryan turned left when he should have turned right and went the opposite direction. Oh, that's funny. Bad news is it's really bad. Bring it over here. Yeah, not much you can do with that tangle. But we'll end up just pulling it through. Here, trade me. Tangles happen.
I think we might have to bite it off.
I got a knife. No sense ruining your teeth. Oh, come on. I think I got it out. Yes.
I think we just cut it off there and tied the jig.
You nailed it, bud. You are back in business.
Yeah. Watch Logan leave and then I catch fish again.
I'd be okay with that. It is definitely time for the walleyes to start biting.
More smallmouth.
Or more smallmouth. You got it? Yeah, boy. Yeah, I'm gonna try a different spot on my perch. The fog is eerie, and it definitely, I don't know, anytime it's overcast, I'm like, oh, it feels like walleyes. And sometimes you get them, sometimes you don't. I guess that's kind of a Captain Obvious kind of question. Like, either catch them or you don't. So far, we are not catching them. And we are running out of time. Got about a half hour. Ryan's gonna show up about the time we gotta leave. Yeah, switch baits up, see if it pays off. Still rocking an 1/8 ounce, but switch to a Au Naturel certified swimmer. Probably my overall #1 walleye confidence bait in cold water. Any more bites, Lewis? Me either. You know what's gonna happen, boys? They're gonna start biting right when we have to leave.
If they do, we gotta stay for like 15 more minutes.
If we're late, I'll let you explain why.
Yeah.
It'll go over better if you explain.
Yeah, I'll tell him like.
There we go. Yep. I don't know. Yep, little walleye. I got a walleye. I knew they'd start biting as soon as we had to leave.
That's a keeper.
That is a keeper if I ever saw one, boys.
I'll go get the stringer.
Yep, go get it.
Where were you casting?
Straight out in front of me, bud. Yeah, you need to get one. That's a perfect eater.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. There's one. Yep. Yep, I got one. Feels a lot like the last one. Actually, feels bigger. It's not a 30, but he's pretty nice. Biggest walleye I've hooked in a good long while. If it is a walleye, kind of felt like it at first. Oh, yeah, he's big walleye. Is he? Oh yeah, look at this walleye, boys.
Oh my gosh.
All right, watch out, reel up, reel up. Yeah, he smacked it too. Wow, that's a dandy of a walleye.
Eater though?
Probably too big to eat. Okay.
Oh jeez, he's massive.
Yeah, it's a nice one. Probably 20 something.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
So we're not gonna eat him?
No.
Too big.
Her. It's a her.
It's a her?
Yeah.
It's a big.
The big ones are always girls. Yeah, I was thinking that this one was going to be too big to keep, and it's a pretty nice one, but the more I look at it, it's going to be a nice one to keep. So Lewis, yep, Lewis, we're going to eat it. It's not as big as I originally thought. It's probably low 20s, but a nice one, fought good and smacked it. It's going to taste delicious. We're almost out of time. We're actually past time, but I'm going to make a few more casts. Hold on. Go over the top of me. Yep. Don't run away quite yet. He's pretty nice one too. Oh yeah. The wall. How about that one, buddy? He's about like the other one.
Two dandies in one head.
Yeah. Okay. I feel like I couldn't have called this anymore. They're gonna start biting as soon as we have to go. Yeah, that's another nice one. Where'd you shove this?
Yeah, on the ground.
Right there. All right, let's one more cast. Then we gotta get going. Oh, there's one. I'm gonna have a limit here in a minute.
How much can you do?
5 per person. Watch out.
What does that mean? That
Oh, that's funny. It went from 0 to 100.
in a couple seconds.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna have to get going because we still gotta clean them.
Yeah.
Well, you showed up at the right time. They're biting.
You're leaving the fish bite?
Yep. We are so late. We had to hustle out of there. It was actually Ella's birthday party that night, and we did make it on time, which I'm as surprised as you probably are. But it was a fun trip. I absolutely love taking the boys out fishing, especially because they absolutely love fishing. So that makes it a good time. But hope you had a good time watching the video. If you did, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Appreciate the heck out of you watching. Hope you catch a giant.